Some sounds in the dark aren't from ghosts, but from real animals that sound just like them. Wait till number 1. Hit like and subscribe if you're brave enough to face nature's haunted voices. In the stillness of night, these animals make sounds so eerie, people mistake them for spirits. 5. Barn owl. Its scream is so sharp and haunting. It's called the ghost of the night sky. 4. Whistling swan. Its long, mournful call drifts through the fog like a lost soul singing. 3. Screaming frog. Tiny but terrifying, its cry sounds like a ghostly child in the woods. 2. Cat. When mating or fighting, their wails sound like ghosts crying from another world. 1. Loon bird. Its echoing wail over dark lakes sounds like spirits mourning in the mist. Which animal sound gave you chills? Comment below if you dare to listen after midnight.